In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Zoho Mail, a feature that's perfect for when you want to update how your name appears in outgoing mails. Whether you're transitioning to a new name, rebranding yourself, or simply want a fresh start, making this change is a straightforward and useful adjustment. Let's start by heading over to the Zoho Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address bar, mail.zoho.com. Once there, log in with your email credentials. If you've set up any additional security features like two-factor authentication, make sure you have your device handy to complete the login process smoothly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which signifies the settings menu. This is where all the configuration magic happens. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. Now, upon clicking, a drop-down or sidebar menu might appear, showing various settings options. You need to look for the section titled Mail Settings. Feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options if this is your first time here. But for now, our focus is on the Send Mail As section. Click on it and open up a new set of options related to how your emails appear when they're sent out. Now, locate the field labeled Display Name. This is the name that will show up in recipients' inboxes when they receive an email from you. If it's your first time changing it, the field is probably filled with your existing name, ready to be edited. Click into this field and carefully type in your new display name. Perhaps you're introducing your middle name, or maybe you're adding a fun new flair. Whatever the reason, it's important to type it exactly as you want it to appear in the emails you send. Before we finalize the change, double-check your new display name for any typos or errors, as this is how professional contacts and personal connections will see your emails. Once you're satisfied with the change, look for the Update button and click it. This crucial step confirms the change and saves the new display name across your outgoing emails. And that's it! You've successfully changed your display name in Zoho Mail. Next time you send an email, your new name will be front and center. Remember, these kinds of changes can always be adjusted again if necessary, so feel free to revisit these settings anytime you need to make another update. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you maintain a professional and polished online